Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will see how to jump to a particular section on the same page by using a anchor tag. I have opened Visual Studio Code. I have opened a file called as eg11.html. To save some time, I have already copied some content here. I will explain what exactly I have done. See, I have got a header here called as H1 Mysore Palace, and then I have given an ID for this tag called as H1. What is the ID? ID is Mysore Palace. So what is meant by an ID? So this ID Mysore Palace will uniquely identify this tag called as H1 in this page. So that means this H1 tag has an ID called as Mysore Palace. And after that, I have a paragraph tag here, which is opening and which is a closing. And I have got some content regarding this Mysore Palace. Okay. Similarly, I have done for Vidhan Sauda here. H1 tag, and I have an ID for that called as Vidhan Sauda, and I have a paragraph content here. Okay. Similarly, I have done for Taj Mahal. Next, I have done for India Gate, and then Charminar. So what is my objective here is that I will have now 5 anchor tags here. I will have 5 anchor tags, one for each thing. So href equal to, so I will fill up this later. First, Mysore Palace. Next, I'll have a BR here. I'll copy this. Vidhan Sauda here. I have Charminar here. I have India Gate. I have Taj Mahal. Okay, like this. So let us see how it is rendered on the browser. See, it's rendered like this. So these are the hyper tags, whatever I have just now created. Now the content is so much that I am not able to see this content for Charminar, India Gate, and Taj Mahal. Okay, see, that is available down here. Okay, see, for example, first this is what is rendered on the screen. So now if I want to see Charminar, what is that I have to do? I have to go here and see the content for Charminar. Instead of that, can I make this hyperlink go to Charminar directly? So that is what we are concerned with. That means we want to jump to a section on the same page by using the anchor tag. So let's see how to do that. See, what we have to do is, see, we have got an ID here. So you have to go to that ID here. So how to do that? Like this hash and then Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace. And similarly here, hash Charminar, hash India Gate, and then hash Taj Mahal, and then hash Vidhan Sauda. Spelling should be correct. So whatever you use here, the same thing should be available here. Okay, otherwise you will have problems. So let us see what happens now. So let's see how it is rendered on the screen. See, like this. See, now I will try to click this Charminar. Okay. See Charminar is appearing here. So I am able to go to this Charminar directly by pressing this hyperlink. So I will check India Gate. Yeah, India Gate is fine. And then I will check Taj Mahal. See, Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is here on the front. So this is how we can jump to a specific section on the screen by using the anchor tag. So for that, what we have to do, see what we have to do is, we have to do two things. The first one is we have to add an ID to the tag where we want to jump. See, for example, we have added an ID here called as Vidhan Sauda. And then how to call this one? And you have to call it like this: H reference hash and then Vidhana Sauda. Okay, you may be wondering why I am using a small letter here. So this is a convention. Actually, some people use this convention, so I have used this. Okay, Mysore Palace, I have made it as M small. Even if you make it capital, it is going to work. So there is nothing wrong in that. So this is a convention. That is why I have used like this. ID is equal to Mysore Palace. So generally, IDs people make the first letter small letter. Okay, thank you.